Hello friends, it's Maccabe's Cakes here and you're all welcome to my channel. If you're new here to this channel, you're welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for always sticking around with me on this channel. So in this video guys, I'll be sharing with you all how to make a chocolate sphere mold, a chocolate decoration for your cake decorating using mold. So if you're interested to watch this video, sit back, relax and enjoy the video to the end. Okay, you are all welcome back. So this video is all about how to use chocolate or how to use a silicone mold to mold the chocolate. Yeah, so I have three different types of mold here, and from this video you could tell I'm using a melted chocolate to apply on the mold. Okay, so to get the melted chocolate, it's simple. Just get a compound chocolate. Make sure that if you're going to use this mold to mold your chocolate, it has to be a compound chocolate, please. Any type of chocolate they sell in all these local stores will not be okay for you to, as in, it will not give you this kind of result, and it's going to be hard for you to melt. You're going to find it difficult to melt. Okay, so make sure that you use a compound chocolate because of for the sake of this chocolate decorating. Okay, and for this video I used a brand, I can't really remember the brand, but just check any of the baking stores, they should give you a compound chocolate. Get it from there and then you melt your chocolate. You can use a microwave to melt your chocolate, or you can use double boiler method. A double boiler method means when you place hot water on top of your gas cooker inside a pot, and then you get another plate, put your chocolate inside, and then put it on top of the hot water, but not directly to the hot water anyways. So with that, you keep on stirring. So that's how to do a double boiler method. If you want the video, please kindly drop a comment. Your comment will make me know if you're interested in getting the video of how to how to use a double boiler to melt your chocolate. So I hope that is clear. Like I said, you can as well use microwave too. So this is me here applying the chocolate on my mold. You have to be very careful when you're doing this. And whenever you're applying the chocolate on your mold, always tap the mold on the table so that everything can come into the mold. If not, you might end up wasting your chocolate. For some people, they use piping bag to apply on the mold, but for me, I don't use piping bag. I use what works for me, which is spoon. With spoon is kind of economical for me, kind of, I don't know, but that's what I use. Always tap always tap the mold so that everything can enter properly. So for the gold effect, there are two ways. So it's either you apply gold on the mold and then put your chocolate, or you make the chocolate first, and when it's dried up, then you can now apply it with gold. So whichever method is better. Sorry, whichever method is okay for you, you can use. But this method is super best because when the chocolate is firm enough, at least it will not be messy for you when you're trying to apply good or paint it good. I hope you understand. So this particular one is okay. So it's easy, it comes out clean. You can apply good dust, edible logo dust on your mold, and then paint the inside part, and then you apply your chocolate. Like I said, always remember to tap the mold on the table so that everything can come in. For the dark chocolate, I use 100 gram of dark. I melted 100 gram of dark chocolate. So I'm using a colored chocolate as well. This is a strawberry chocolate that I'm using for this particular mold. So I love this particular strawberry. It's also a compound chocolate. Compound chocolate works better with anything mold. Not all chocolate is better for mood. You guys need to understand. That's why I said not any kind of chocolate you see in any stores and then you go to buy. It has to be a compound chocolate, okay? So I hope you guys understand this aspect. And now, for this fair mold, this particular mold I'm working on now is called fair mousse chocolate balls. Okay, So there are two ways to apply on this firm mold. It's either you, or there are two ways to achieve this chocolate balls. Number one is that you do this method I'm doing now, which is trying to take the chocolate or scoop the chocolate into this mold, or you can use a brush. I'm referring to this chocolate ball mold now. There are two methods. Is either you apply it with a spoon or with your piping bag, or use a brush. For me, I use brush or I use spoon. If you use spoon, you're going to end up using more of chocolate. You're going to end up consuming more. Is that clear for you? You're going to end up consuming more. But for me, I use brush. So I'm showing you two methods here. You can use brush. You can also use a spoon to fill up the holes. It also comes out quick clean as well. So whichever one is better for you, you can choose. So I'm using the brush to apply the chocolate on the ball mold. It's also called sphere mold as well. So I'm applying, I use brush and then spoon so that everything can come together, because if you use only brush and then when it's firm enough, if you're trying to pull it out, it will get broken, like it's going to break. Yes, it's going to like it will break definitely. So for me, I use spoon and I use brush. But like I said previously, if you don't want it to be broken, like if you feel like you want to just do it normal way, like you want it to come out clean, just use spoon to fill up the holes, to fill up the balls, and everything will come out clean. Just that at the end of the day, it's going to the chocolates will be thicker, and anybody that wants to eat it will have to be breaking it with their teeth. But with this method I'm doing now, it easily, as in they can easily bite, somebody can easily bite it and then chew it. But the bigger the one I did is using the spoon to fill the mold. As somebody can break it just like eating a candy or a sweet. So that's how the result of this one comes out at the end of the day. So I'm doing another method again by applying edible dust into the mold, and then I'll put my chocolate. At the end of the day, you're gonna see how the result is. There are some chocolate balls whereby after putting the chocolate, when it's firm, some bakers used to apply like painted dust. So you can do that one or you can do this one. That's why I said this one is kind of easier. When you paint the gold all over the body of the mold where you're gonna apply the chocolate, when you paint it, like apply dust like by the sides and everywhere. If you pour your chocolate inside, just like what I'm doing right now, if you do this, when it's firm up, it's going to come out clean. Also, make sure that your chocolate balls, you have to make it neatly, like it has to be neat. So that's why you can use spoon. Like I said previously, some bakers, they normally use piping bag to apply the chocolate, as normally use piping bag for this chocolate mold, for this chocolate mold design. I hope you guys are understanding me. So whichever one works fine for you, but for this one I'm working on now, is either used with brush or you can use piping bag. But for this one I'm doing right now, it's mostly used with brush. You know, if you apply it properly and then when it's firm up, it will not break. By the time you're trying to pull it out, it will not break. The only way it can break when you're trying to pull it out is if you did not apply enough chocolate. So I'm done with this and I'm going to put it inside the fridge for it to set. Now it's been set already. Okay, it's been set. You can see how it is. By the time you're done applying, make sure that it should be inside the fridge or inside the freezer. Once it's set properly, you're going to achieve something like this. It can stay in the freezer for like 15 minutes, in your fridge 15 minutes, your freezer 15 minutes, anyone. If you have urgent job, freezer should work faster for you, okay? But if you're taking your time, fridge is okay. So whichever one is okay, you can go with it. So you can see how it's firm up right now. I'm already pulling it from the mold. Like it's super easy. You don't have to go too stressed. Fan can also make it firm up immediately. But like I said, if you have a urgent job and you want to achieve this thing like this, you have to put inside the freezer or inside the fridge. See that gold effect I was telling you guys? You can see what I did. You can see the gold effect, guys. Can you see it? So if you don't want to achieve that method, you can just as well paint the chocolate to gold. This is the waffle mold. We call this particular mold waffle mold. See how this one got broken? It can only break if you did not apply enough chocolate on the mold, and that's when you're going to achieve broken mold just like this. So but if you apply enough, it will not, when you're trying to, if you apply enough and trying to pull it out, it will not break. So I hope you understand. So this is the one here, the chocolate ball. You can see how thick it is. You can see how thick because I use my spoon to fill it in the mold properly. This is the brush aspect. With the brush aspect, you try to economize your chocolate, and this one is even better. Well, both of them are better. It all depends on the one you like. Okay, so this is it here. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, like the video and drop a nice comment. Subscribe to my channel so that I can get notification of when I upload the video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Like this video guys. That's the way you can support me on this channel. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? So guys, we'll come to the end of the video. This is the end result. It's beautiful and perfect for your what, cake decorating, or perfect for your cake decoration, whichever one. So I hope you got value. I hope you understand every process on this video, okay? So once again guys, thank you so much for time, for watching, and for sticking around with me on this channel. Also, do not forget to subscribe as well. Thank you guys for watching.